top of the top, man. So tomorrow is the cruise day. I hope everybody pulls up. Don't mind the hair, I just got off of work. I hope everybody pulls up. I hope everybody has a good time. If you did pull up, this is gonna be up after. But I hope you have a great time and enjoy the vibes. So, you know me, I gotta get the car ready. Shit's filthy. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash this thing down. And yeah, it's filthy. Sheesh, look at that.
Oh. Yes, sir. Drop two-seater with the top hill. Need a girl to rock real. Queen to call the shots. Give me top. Hit the block. Get the swerving. Swivel on the dick. Spin cycle clean. Yeah. Detergent. Put the work in. Whoa. Center stage. Center of attention. Squeezing Minute Maid. Fresh juice on the table every day. Let me reciprocate. I bring it back. Flip a quarter back into a dinner plate. Chiquita head. Send her off to DR just to renovate. Fuck it all the way up, bitch. VC on some heavyweights. Not been still or slim fast. Could help her move in these six packs. Got fast track for the bridge, boy. Meet a mission at 6, boy. Back to Jack, London smack. Drop that ass at Rockridge, boy. So it's the fame that you're pursuing, huh? Curry 30 kind of shooters, huh? Looking pretty in your pics, 30-30, and I shoot it from the hip. Vicious family with the shits. Drop two-seater with the top hill. Need a girl to rock real. Queen to call the shots. Give me top. Hit the block.
Top of the top, y'all. So it's cruise day. My voice is like going away. I don't know why, but it just happened. This shit weird. But right now we're about to hit the gas station, and I'm going on an E30 blend. I want to, you know, get better gas mileage because E85 is cheap and all, but that motherfucker burns quick. So right here is the cheapest I found, 91 for low. That shit's expensive. Some motherfuckers are paying like over $5. Hell no. I mean, I already have E85, so on the calculator it said just to add 91 because I have to take the E85. So let me get my money and we'll walk around. Never mind. What the hell? Oh, that shit took 7 gallons. So I'm about to hit the cruise now. Hope to see everybody there, and we'll pick it up when we get there. get to the meetup location. Gotta look for the guys, you know what I'm saying? Where they at? Where they at? Oh, I see them. Yes, sir. Hell yeah. What's up, fam?
Angel's Crest, up to Azusa.
Morning, man. Chilling.
How you
Morning,
doing?
man. Good. What's up, bro? Andrew, nice to meet you. What's up, my guy? Mac Miller, my guy.
Oh, we're together.
What's up, Mac? Chilling. What's up, man? Andrew, bro. Nice to meet you. What's up, bro? Andrew, nice to meet you. Andrew, bro. Nice to meet you, man. Chilling. Hell yeah.
I was like,
It's a hatchback, Max. And that's how I was about to get these.
pictures of it, I was like, man,
yeah, low key.
There's just too many people.
Hey, bro, I can see it. One day this could turn to a rally.
Hell yeah.
Bro, imagine the whole West Coast. Fuck.
Yeah, I'll be down for sure.
Bro.
I'll call off work.
Yeah, hell yeah. You gotta plan this shit out like 9 months ahead.
Hey, in a year from now, we're gonna do shit.
Hell yeah.
Half of us won't have our cars. You know?
Yeah, that's this is sick, bro.
Hell yeah, that'd be cool. That'd be cool, like for sure.
Yeah, it's like you always see supercar rallies, but like,
You never see like
like,
cars like this.
yeah, like just regular cars that you see every day.
Yeah.
Show, man. Drive safe.
Yeah, you do.
see, I kill 'em with success. Every day I'm feeling blessed. I live life, make moves, stress less. I'm the best. You can see it how I'm dressed. Double R on my chest, VC making checks. Moving right or get left. See, I kill 'em with success. Yeah, I kill 'em with success. Every day I'm feeling blessed. I live life, make moves, less. You can always count on me, but can never count me out. I ain't got that type of time, it's just not what I'm about. I feel like Kobe in his prime, cause I'm young and ballin' out. I could never stop grinding till I buy my mama house. Look, I'm the one that's gon' get it. I'm too persistent, I'm minding my own business and then I spend it. Young and lonely with a vision, I'm something vicious. Trusting you is not my interest, you too suspicious. You too focused on these bitches trying to trick up on them. You text her phone, where she at? I'm dropping dick up on her. She throw it back, make it clap for the OnlyFans. You fell in love with a hoe, she don't need a man. I got 2 sticks and a drum, about to start a band. I'm smoking pack with a cure when I'm in Japan. I'm ducked off for the week, I hit you when I land. So tap in, baby. You see, I kill 'em with success. Every day I'm feeling blessed. I live life, make moves, stress less. I'm the best. You can see it how I'm dressed. Double R on my chest, VC making checks. Moving right or get left. See, I kill 'em with success. Yeah, I kill 'em with success. Every day I'm feeling blessed. I live life, make moves, stress less. I'm the best. Switching lanes on the bitch, fuck catching feelings. Ain't got no time, baby, can't you see I'm out here winning? Yeah, I love you, but I swear I gotta keep my distance. I'm 1-on-1, never had to be in competition. Keeping focused on the vision, I'ma keep it pimping. She double text me, no replies, now I'm acting different. I'm with a snow bunny, double tree at the Hilton.